Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with some, new words for all of you to, help you elevate your English quotient. Okay. So, in our routine language, in our normal English, we continuously use this word stubborn, stubborn, stubborn. Okay. What do you mean by the word stubborn? Stubborn is basically a negative connotation word. When I say negative connotation, which means if you're negatively stubborn for something, okay, like a stubborn child, which means a child is very stubborn for few of his needs. Okay, so that's a negative connotation. So when I say when you're stubborn or when you're unshakable with respect to something which is considered as too materialistic, generally this word stubborn will have a negative connotation. However, when you're very what do you say, unshakable, or you're not flexible with respect to your goals, your dreams, okay, there the word is not stubborn, but the word is determined, your determination. Okay, so you're unshakable, you're determined. Okay, that's what we say. So determination is a positive connotation word. Okay. So, however, determination is also being stubborn with your goals. Okay. Not being shakable with your goals, or being, inflexible or unmoving with regards to your goals. However, here today in today's video, we are not looking at the positive connotation word, which is determination, which is a positive side of stubborn. Okay, but we are talking about the word stubborn today. So whenever we have to use word stubborn or adamant in order to describe a child, or in order to describe a person's opinion, behaviors, etc., what are different words can we use so as to level up our English quotient? Okay. So now instead of saying he's stubborn, he's adamant, okay, you can use these words. Okay. So you can say obdurate. Now, you can say an obdurate refusal to the proposal. Obdurate refusal means, okay, one is a refusal. The proposal was denied. The proposal was refused. Okay. But when I say obdurate, which means he is very clear that he is never ever going to accept the proposal. Okay, so which means he is very unshakable. Okay, he is too adamant, he is very stubborn with regards to his refusal. Okay, so I can say obdurate refusal. Okay, he is an obdurate personality, which means a very rigid personality, a very stubborn personality, a personality who sticks to his opinions, his behaviors, his attitude, no matter whatever the situation is. Okay. Now, instead of obdurate, you can also use the word intransigent. Okay. An intransigent refusal to the proposal. Okay. You can also use the word tenacious. Okay. You can just pause the video and practice the pronunciation with me. So, obdurate is the first word. Third word is intransigent. Okay. Intransigent. And then you have this word called as tenacious, the tenacious demand. Okay. The tenacious leader. Okay. An obstinate leader. Okay. Now, obstinate is generally used with regards to, the child who is too unshakable with regard, with in respect of his demand. So, like if he wants a toy, he wants it. So, an obstinate child, a stubborn child. So, instead of a stubborn child, you can say an obstinate child. Okay. However, the personalities who are uh, not willing to change their opinions, attitudes, behavior, no matter whatever the situation is, with missing sensitivity in their persona, you can use these words obdurate, intransigent, and tenacious. Okay. So that's about it in today's video. I hope this has helped you level up your vocabulary. This has helped you, in exposing to different wealth of words that we all have in our English language, but we hardly are aware about these kinds of terminologies. Okay, so please start using these words also in your normal English. If your friends do not know about it, make sure you tell them too. Okay, and better it and elevate your English quotient. Okay, So in today's video, we have learned 4 new words which we can use instead of stubborn and adamant. Okay, so you can say obdurate, obstinate, intransigent, and tenacious. All mean the same. In case if you're preparing for any of the competitive exams, this is going to be of utmost use to you because competitive exams will never test you on normal English vocabulary like stubborn, adamant, but they are definitely going to throw you in, with such words, and you're expected to know them, understand them, and crack them. Okay, friends. So that's about it in today's video. Thank you so much. If you liked my content, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe. Okay. So that I can keep sending you notifications of all this valuable content, which will definitely help you elevate your English standard. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.